Introducing Express Car Wash, your trusted destination for top-notch car care. Today, we delve into a question that's been on the minds of many car owners. Is steam car wash service safe? Man-Machine Works, empowering your car wash business with innovation and excellence. Steam car wash service is a revolutionary approach to car cleaning, and Express Car Wash is a pioneer in this field. Our trained professionals use high-temperature steam to effectively remove dirt, grime, and contaminants from your vehicle's surface. But the big question remains, is it safe? Absolutely. The power of steam lies in its ability to deep clean without the need for harsh chemicals. This means that not only is your car's finish safe from potential chemical damage, but it's also environmentally friendly. Express Car Wash takes pride in offering a full car wash service that covers both the interior and exterior, giving your car a comprehensive makeover. Our team is equipped with the knowledge and skills to provide your car's interior with the care it deserves. From upholstery to dashboard, we've got it all covered. With Express Car Wash, you can rest assured that your car is in expert hands. Our commitment to quality and safety sets us apart. So, next time you're wondering about the safety of steam car wash service, remember Express Car Wash, where innovation meets care. Visit us today and experience the difference.